guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashpika. Welcome to Global Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, we're going to be diving into the specific time of the year, that is the holiday season, the upcoming holiday seasons, and I'm going to be specifically talking about what are the things that you could do to make more money in this upcoming holidays, and we will going to be discussing much more about the holidays, making sales and a lot more stuff in this video. So let's dive in. Before we go back, consider clicking the like button guys, really appreciate that. If you want more such video, consider subscribing, hit the bell icon because we upload daily videos, and when we do so you'll be getting notified about it. Also we have the bunch of the free resources to help you make more money. The link is in description box below. Head over to globalcreative.com, check out the freebie section and download it. Also we are going to soon start with exclusive email newsletter. The link is in description box below. The right now it's on waitlist. You can join it. It's 100% free. It will going to deliver you each and every week in your email inbox exclusive content related to print on demand, making money online, print on demand tips, tricks, tools, and so much more. So consider subscribing. The link is in description box below. Let's talk about the holiday season. Now this is the last month of the year, of this year, to prepare yourself for these upcoming holidays in this year. This is the last month. Why I call it so? Because September is the last month. October we would be starting with the festivals. We're starting with the different kinds of the occasions. That will be, first of all, will be the Halloween. Then they will be proceeding with the different kinds of holidays in the November and December. So this one is the last month. If you haven't prepared yet for the holidays and you are still working on it, or maybe you are confused, then this video is exactly for you, because I'm going to be covering a few of the things over here to help you with preparing yourself for this upcoming holidays. Now first very important tip I have for you guys, write it down onto the piece of paper. What are the shops, what are the things that you would be focusing currently on? If you are on a multiple platform strategy, like you have 4 to 5 different platforms on which you are uploading your designs, write it down. What kind of goals you have for this upcoming holidays. Don't write weird or absurd big goals, like if you are just making $10 per month from your shop and you have the goals of achieving $1,000 a month. I'm not saying that big goals, making a big goals or having a big goals is a bad idea. I'm not saying that, but I'm just saying that make a goals that is realistic and that is achievable. It could be anything, like if you're making $10 from your shop on a routine daily in a monthly basis, it's possible to make $100 in upcoming this holidays. Okay, it's possible to make $100, but for $1,000 it would be a little bit less likely to achieve that. So that could be the example of a realistic goals. It could vary from person to person, from situation to situation. Whatever kind of business you are, even if you're having a KDP or selling on Etsy or selling on Amazon, whatever the business you are, just write it down onto your goals and write it down the things that you really need to focus on. If you are completely focusing on print on demand, write it down the shops on which you would be focusing on, what things you need to do to actually. So that is the very first important step, is to actually plan it. So we have written down our realistic goal, that this which we are expecting this year from our shop, and this shop we will be focusing on. The second thing could you do is to actually think that 80-20 rule. If you don't know guys, 80-20 rule is that you would be getting 80% of your income from the 20% of the designs that you have uploaded. It's true, but you need to have so many designs to actually get the sales which you're expecting, because 20% of the designs would be selling more in your shop and will be driving you 80% of your sales. So you really need to have that a good amount of designs in your shop. It does matter, but quantity does matter. Quality and quantity both matters a lot guys. You can't negotiate the quantity. You're thinking just I'm just uploading a highly good quality designs, only 10 designs this holiday, and expecting to make 6-figure. No, that's too vague. Expecting to make 4-figure, it would be very less likely unless you promote it so well, you have followers, or if you're an Etsy, you're doing the paid ads, then you might get those sales. But if you're just relying on the organic traffic of that platform, then it is a little bit less likely. So quantity does matter, and keep in mind the 80-20% rule, or 20-80, whatever you call it. So the 80% of the sales will be getting from those 20% of the design. So your 20% design should be amazing. That is driving you the 80% of the sales. So upload more, having a more quantity, and keeping in mind the 80-20% rule will really going to help you a lot, because now you know the conversion rate of your shop. And if you don't know the conversion rate, what it is, you can simply head over to your if you're having a Redbubble shop, just go to the Redbubble shop analytics section and look at the viewers, look at the people, how many people are coming on your shop, visiting your shop on a monthly basis, on a daily basis, and then estimate your conversion rate. Like if the people are 1,000 people are coming in your shop, and out of them maybe 10 people are converting, or maybe 5 people are converting, or 20% people are converting, that determine your conversion ratio. That means you need that much of visitors on your shop to actually convert them into the sales. So this is the another important thing that you could do with the conversion ratio, so that you could estimate an average that this many designs I need to have to make this much of the sales, because 80-20% rules apply over here, and this kind of the thing. It's a little bit of the complicated to actually calculate the exact number, but you can get an average. I can't give you the exact number, and this rule doesn't give you the exact number of the designs, but you can get the average and you can prep your shop for that. Another thing I'm going to talk over here, guys, is the Pinterest. Like Pinterest is very important, because I want to tell you based on my experience, like the pins that I have pinned in my board past 1 month back, 2 months back, is still getting me saves and still getting me clicks. Like people are saving those pins in their boards, and I'm still getting those clicks on my shop. Now, not on my shop, on my website. I'm not promoting my print on demand shop on my pin account. I'm just promoting my Global Area magazine content and all those kind of stuff in the Pinterest. So I'm driving the traffic from the Pinterest to that. So Pinterest is your great friend in this kind of holiday. Start pinning your designs right now in the Pinterest, so that people will actually going to search on related to the Christmas design or holiday, Halloween, whatever it is. They are more likely to pop up on your designs, and thereby converting into the views on your shop and maybe the conversions and making the sales thereby. So promote on the Pinterest. Pinterest is a great friend. I'm not telling you to go for the paid ads. I'm really telling you to doing the organic one. So you could actually try it, and you can also try the idea pins. I made a bunch of the videos talking about it. I'm going to leave them in the card section below. You can check it out. But idea pin is also amazing right now. It's getting the huge traction. I've been repeating a lot many times in my videos, because I feel like if you are not doing it right now, then you're missing a point, because maybe in the upcoming few months it would be getting more competition, and there would be many people uploading the idea pin, then it would be a little bit less likely for you to get the good traffic. So right now you can utilize it very well. Another point I want to talk over here, guys, I'm posting the polls in my community tab about the holidays, but do let me know in the comment section below about anything related to holiday topic you want me to cover in the next upcoming videos, because this is the last month we can prepare. September is the last month, and this is the first of the September, so this is the last time to prepare, or last month to prepare for the holidays for this year. So let me know in the comment section below if you want any of the holiday topics to be covered in my upcoming future videos in this month. Do let me know in the comment section below regarding anything, because this is the last month and we can together prepare our shops for our holidays and can make the good sales in the Another point to be covered over here, guys, I want to tell you that if you watch this video at the end of this year, or maybe in the December, or maybe in the November, then this video may not be as useful to you as it would be if you are watching it in September. But don't panic. Don't panic and don't take tension, because holidays will be coming in the next year as well. Like every year you are getting this opportunity to prepare your shops for the holidays. Even if you don't do right or correctly this year, it's okay, it's completely fine. You can learn from it, and then you can do much better in the next year. Because in my 2020 I also didn't that good, because that was my first holiday and I was like, oh, I don't know what to do. So I actually learned from what I did wrong and what I did right, and now I'm incorporating all those things in my second holidays. So hopefully this would be going better. Let's see, guys. But again, don't panic if it doesn't go right. Just be okay with that and just learn from it, because there is always the opportunity to do best in the next holidays. There is always that opportunity. There is always that chance. So don't take tension, don't panic, and just enjoy the process. You just need to enjoy it, because that's all we are doing. Enjoying the process, and while making the money by doing the things that we actually love doing. Hopefully you find this video useful. Do let me know in the comment section below about the holiday topics that you want me to cover in my future upcoming videos, because I will be covering that most important month of this year. So let me know in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye, guys.